Uh-oh, it's time for everybody's favorite tool, the thumbnail generator. This took a lot of time and it saved me a lot of time as well in my business. I put a ton of time into this to make sure that this is the best thumbnail generator I could possibly do. And I'm always going to be looking for improvements as well, so make sure y'all check the updates page every once in a while to see if anything's actually updated about any of the pages, really. But boom, to get to the thumbnail generator, we go to the thumbnail studio, hit the drop down, and we can see all of our thumbnail tools laid out right here. We're obviously going to go to thumbnail generator, and that brings us to the thumbnail generator page. Now at the top, you're going to notice select connected channel. If you didn't watch the connected channels video or don't have any connected channels, this is probably going to be an issue. You got to go connect some channels down in the connected channels page. But once you do that, you'll be able to see all the channels you've connected right here. In the last one, we connected the Sidemen page, and now it's right here. Now instead of just using me for this example, let's have fun with it, bro. Let's use Michelle. Michelle's thumbnails are super good. Her ideas, her concepts, her titles, all the packaging behind Michelle's work, I think is really good. So we're going to use it in this example, and we're going to go with the same line we've been working through in all these for a cooking channel. So the next thing you're going to want to do, it's really simple. All you do is come down to the thumbnail description and you're going to type exactly what you want your thumbnail to be. You can be as broad as you want. You can be as descriptive as you want. It's going to work with you to try and get your thumbnail done the best way possible. Is it going to be perfect every time? No, but is it going to be pretty dang good a lot? Yes. And is it going to be really good a lot? Yes. And hopefully we get a really good one right now. Let's test this thing. All right, so I wrote out a prompt with kind of something that I would do, and we're going to see if it would work. I got a thumbnail where Michelle is testing $1 versus $100 spatulas. The background is a modern kitchen. Centered in the frame is Michelle looking excited as she holds up a $1 spatula in one hand and a $100 spatula in the other. Now all we got to do is come down here and generate the thumbnail, and boom, it's going to start generating the thumbnail. Now you did notice that this feature does start to cost credits. You are allotted a certain amount of credits every single month based on your plan. So make sure you're watching out for that. But honestly, you should be good. I made it so that you could generate a lot of things because I got tired of running out of credits on sites. So for this, I made it so you can generate a lot of things, and it should be good for your workflow. Now there is the option to generate two thumbnails as well. If you wanted to see two different variations of the same prompt that you type, because it's not going to give you the same result every single time, but two variations does cost a little bit of credits, but at a discounted rate. So it's kind of up to you how you want to roll. For me, I always like to type the prompt, run it with one thumbnail first, and then see how it goes. And bang, okay, we got a generation. I mean, it looks like Michelle. So the thing about the connected channels is it's going to read your face, and it's going to put the face of your YouTube channel on the thumbnails to the best of its ability. So this is a perfect example of not looking exactly like Michelle, but it does look like a $1 spatula on this side and an expensive spatula on this side with a modern kitchen in the background. Overall, it did a pretty dang good job. But now let's try and spice up the prompt a little bit and see if we can get it a little bit better. Okay, so I changed a couple things around. I made it so it's actually going to show us a price tag with the respective values hanging off the spatulas, and then also I made it so the $1,000 spatula is going to be made out of gold. I also changed it to 1,000 instead of 100. I'm gonna click generate, and we're gonna see what we're gonna get. The other thing to note too is once a thumbnail is generated, you can click in, you can view it, you can download it right here, or your old ones are gonna be saved down here in the generated thumbnails section. Once you generate a lot of them, or if you're like me and you want to stay super organized, you can press the select thumbnails button right here, and you can select multiple of them right here and either download them or delete them to keep your stuff just clean. That's one thing for me. Once I see a bunch of thumbnails getting going right here, it overwhelms me. I don't want to see it. Oh my goodness, you see how fast that generated? I didn't even get done talking and we already got this one. Okay, boom, we got Michelle. Gold spatula, $1,000. This $1 looking spatula over here, modern kitchen in the back. I mean, it's pretty good. And if you want to see how wicked it could get, if we just change Michelle's name to the creator, because it knows that this is a creator right here, and we change this to somebody like Ryan Trahan, and we generate the thumbnail. The crazy thing is it's going to make this in Ryan Trahan's style with Ryan Trahan on the thumbnail. So Michelle has a very distinct look about how her thumbnails look. Ryan, super realism, super realistic. So we're going to see what it does with Ryan right here. And because I got cut off last time, let me continue. You can also hit this C prompt button right here, and you can see the prompt that was actually used to generate this thumbnail hidden away so it's not all in the way and it looks super clean. But if you wanted to copy it, boom, Ryan's done already right there. But if you wanted to copy your prompt, you hit this copy button, it immediately copies it, and you can go generate with it again. And here we go, bro. We got Ryan Trahan holding up a $1,000 gold spatula and a $1 spatula in a kitchen. Are you kidding me? Side note, I just generated this one with the Sidemen page and it put KSI holding the same thing. I mean, this one's pretty good. This is probably the best and most realistic looking to KSI that we've gotten out of all of these. I mean, what you could do in the thumbnail generator is honestly endless. It's based on the channel. You could literally do whatever with it. And if it's not exactly perfect, you can take the thumbnail into the thumbnail editor, which I'll show y'all in the next video.